How's it going, everyone? The Mighty Quinn here. So, Crystals is actually one of the first videos I've ever done. I think it was like the second or third video I recorded. And that was like over a year ago. And I haven't had it since, which is really surprising because I really like these little burgers. If you never heard of Crystals, it's very similar to White Castle. If you never heard of White Castle, I don't know what to tell you. But basically, they're just little mini burgers or sliders, whatever you want to call them. They have, a single patty, some pickles, some very tiny grilled onions, and a little mustard. That's about it. You can also get cheese on it if you want. But yeah, that's basically Crystals, just a knockoff White Castle. So let me not waste any more time. I have a dozen here, and I am very hungry. So let's see. The last time I had these, I remember it being a little dry. Not this time. Not this time at all. Mm. And these don't need any cheese, any special toppings. They do have one in chicken, which is good too. I think it has chicken, bacon, and jalapeno on it. I think. Mm. Oh, if you're new here and you're watching, do me a huge favor and subscribe. Also, give this video a thumbs up. Very much appreciate it. And I very much appreciate this. I was really hungry. I just thought of something. I may make these myself, but instead of using like these like hamburger buns, I may use sweet Hawaiian rolls. That'll be good. I need to try that. How many? It's 2, 4, 6, 8. Mm. Mm. What really does it for me with these little sandwiches, one, the bread is really soft. It's like biting into a marshmallow. But the mustard and pickles, like if I'm eating a hamburger or a deli sandwich, I have to have pickles and mustard. I just can't do without it. You know, I work at a meat production place. We specialize in charcuterie. If you don't know what charcuterie is, it's basically it's process of curing meats like salami, bacon, ham. We make all kinds of stuff. I have yet to bring any of it on this channel. Granted, I've only been there a couple months. Yeah, it's been a couple months. So I'm gonna start bringing some more exotic meats on this channel once I get around to it. Like a couple of days ago, we made blood sausage. Like blood sausage with blood. I know there are some countries in Europe that eat blood sausage. Maybe in Asia too, maybe. But we make that. And I am very eager to try it. If you've had blood sausage, let me know. Did you like it? Did it taste funny? Or was you disgusted by it? Six left. I'm cruising through these. I mean, when you enjoy something so much, especially when it's food, if there's a lot of it, you just knock it down easily. And it's the mustard. It's the mustard that does it for me. All right. I'm not full, but this video has been going on for a while. So I'm gonna finish this off, and then I'm gonna knock the rest of them off camera. Because they're good and hot, and I don't want them to get cold. Y'all probably get tired of me saying this, but it really is the mustard and pickles that make it for me. Well, guys, that'll do it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.